Hi, I'm Raju Mistry and I lead the HR function at Cipla. The current COVID 19 crisis has really changed the world for a lot of us, and each one of us is having a very different experience in dealing and managing with the situation. Life certainly now is very different. To some, it may be difficult, challenging, seem like a crisis. But one thing is certain for all of us, it is very different and certainly very new. This situation has caught us all unaware, unprepared, and each one of us are trying to find different ways to cope with it. Let me share a working woman's perspective and experiences on how I am dealing with this current situation. Before 17th March 2020, I had a routine. I used to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, go for a 1 hour walk, come back, have tea, shower, do my prayers, and leave for office at 9:30. Life now, there is no routine. Uh, in fact, the boundaries between work and personal life don't exist anymore. They become so fuzzy, and it just goes on. In fact, I never had a sleeping issue, but now there are days where I don't get to sleep even at 2 a.m. So this is life. However, there's the other aspect which I would want to share with you, which is the ability to do so many things at the same time. So while in one moment I'll be doing a tadka in the dal or cutting the vegetables because I don't have a maid or a cook with me right now, I would also be talking about some strategic HR agenda or dealing with the crisis at that very moment. While I will be checking out groceries and the menu that needs to be done, on the other hand, I will be planning for the next imminent crisis or situation that I'll have to deal with. So this is very interesting part of our life because you're doing so many things. The best part is that you can be at home. You can actually work from your home clothes and no need to dress anymore. You don't need to travel. And the best part is that I get to spend a lot of time with my husband. We get to share and have our meals together, something that we've not done in so many years because we have different schedules. So that's the best part of it. But above all of this is a great feeling that we are able to contribute in our own ways and help many, many people. Cipla being a pharma sector, we have a responsibility to provide an uninterrupted supply of medicines to our patients more than ever before. What I'm amazed is how our colleagues in Cipla actually come to work every day, and it is this feeling of great pride and a sense of purpose which is bringing them to work. More than ever before, I think there is a great sense of connect and a great sense of bond that we have created within and amongst ourselves and Ciplites. And I think this bond is not because we are not there in physical space, even though we are virtually, but we are still very, very connected. What I would want to say is that uh, this life is not going to be the same anymore, and this is a new normal that we have to deal with for all time to comes, maybe. So our current situation has provided us with an opportunity to press the reset button and to really re-examine our life and our priorities in many, many different ways. I truly believe that human beings are very resilient people, and women even more. It is only through our resilience that we have conquered many situations and challenges in the past. So I would want to pray to each one of you that all of you need to stay well, play to your strengths, and take this in your stride as we have done in many other situations before. So all the best to you. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family, and do well. Thank you.